A broken or rusted toilet flange often reveals itself through subtle shifts and obvious damage around the base of the toilet. Start by looking for visible rust on the flange area when you remove the toilet or inspect the baseline where the porcelain meets the floor. Rust indicates metal corrosion that weakens bolt holes and sealing surfaces. Check for cracks or missing chunks in the flange material. Plastic flanges can fracture and cast iron, or galvanized flanges can flake away, both compromising alignment. Observe for water stains on the finished floor or on the ceiling below if the bathroom is above another space, as slow flange leaks track outward before pooling. Test toilet stability by rocking the bowl gently from side to side. Movement at the base usually means the flange no longer holds the mounting bolts securely, or the subfloor is rotted around it. Smell for persistent sewer gas odors, which suggests the wax ring or flange seat is no longer sealing the pipe connection. When you lift the toilet to inspect the ring and flange, look for broken mounting bolt slots, stripped threads, or a flange that sits below finished floor level, as these all require different repair approaches. Common mistakes start with assuming every flange problem is the wax ring, so people replace the ring but leave a cracked flange in place. The fix is to assess flange integrity and replace or retrofit with a repair ring before reseating the toilet. Another issue is over-tightening mounting bolts, which can crack a plastic flange or break cast iron. Tighten incrementally and alternate sides until snug without forcing. A third mistake is ignoring subfloor condition. Installing a new flange onto a rotted floor will fail fast, so cut away softened wood, install reinforcement or a plywood patch, and secure the new flange to solid structure below. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for projects like flange repair and toilet replacement, and we help contractors find new work in their area. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share troubleshooting tips, ask questions, and learn from real homeowner and contractor experiences.